Hello students, my name is Kumar Neha. I am working at Bharati Dasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arkanam, and the thing which we are going to see today is very fantastic. So I hope you will like that. Today we are going to see what are all things are coming in the chemistry practical in State Board. So we are going to see today a chemistry practical related to salt analysis. So let's see what happens there. So students, today we are going to see the salt analysis of lead nitrate. So lead nitrate is white crystalline powder. So white crystalline powder, you can see that it looks like this. Okay? So whenever we are taking a salt, children, that time you have to check the solubility in water. So now let's see how the solubility of water is done. Take a test tube. In this test tube, with the spatula, you can take little bit amount of the salt which we have given you, that is a one small drop. After that, you can take little bit amount of distilled water. In this, when you are adding little bit amount of water and you shake it, when you are shaking it, you will feel that it is getting dissolved. That means this crystalline powder is getting dissolved. So therefore, we can say that lead nitrate is a dissolving crystal, right? Yes. So students, now we are taking the solution of it. In this solution, we have added 10 grams of the salt which has been provided. With that, 15 ml of water. In this 15 ml of water, when it is dissolved, it looks like this. Okay. Now this solution we are dividing into two parts. Let's take a test tube. Now I have taken one more test tube. Now this salt I will add little bit in this solution, and I will see that both the levels are equal. So I got two solution liquids, right? So this second test tube I am keeping it down. And now let's come to the first test tube. In this first test tube, for finding whether the lead is present or not, what we are going to do? We are going to add potassium chromate. So here you can see that there is potassium chromate. So what you can do is you can just open it, take a dropper, and in the dropper just press from above and dip it inside and take a little bit amount of solution. Now this solution, bring it close and add drop by drop. What are you seeing, children, here? What's happening? It's becoming yellow precipitate, right? See what happened? It became yellow precipitate. So whenever the yellow precipitate is formed, that confirms that lead is present, right? Yes. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to take the second part of the solution. So here is the second part of the solution, and the first one I am keeping it here. When I am taking it, in this I need to add potassium iodide. So what I am going to take is, I am going to take the salt of this. Now I am just opening it, and from the spatula I need to take a little amount of salt. I have taken little bit amount of potassium iodide and I am adding it into the salt again. What happened? See, directly it became very golden yellow, right? So this also confirms that lead is present here. So these two are the confirmation test for lead. So students, now we have finished the lead. Now let's see how the nitrate confirmation test will be there. So for that, first we need to take the test tube. In this test tube, before doing any kind of things, first take a holder. This is known as a test tube holder. Secure the test tube with the holder like this tightly so that it does not move. Now in this I am going to take my salt. Now using a spatula I am taking little bit amount of my salt and I am going to add that in the test tube. Okay. So once I am adding it in the test tube, later on I have to add the copper turnings. So copper turning is here. So we are opening the door. And now I will take some copper turning. Copper turning we have grounded and kept. It became a fine powder. Now this I am putting it inside the test tube. After putting it inside the test tube, what you have to do is, we have to take a dropper. Now this dropper, in that we have to fill concentrated sulfuric acid. So, here is the concentrated sulfuric acid. See children, you have to be very careful with the concentrated sulfuric acid. Take the dropper, put it inside, press it from above, release the pressure and come up. You got little bit amount of sulfuric acid. Now, what you have to do is, you have to add sulfuric acid inside this. Right? You have added, you will see that effervescence will come. And see what's happening here. Brown gases are coming, right? So, this brown gases show that there is presence of nitrate in that, right? For the further confirmation, if you did not see anything, you can heat the solution. But be very careful children, because it will pop. So, students, in this session we have seen how the salt analysis of lead nitrate has been done, right? We have seen 2 tests for lead and 1 test for nitrate. So, I hope students you have understood. So, if you are doing this way, it will be easier for you to identify the salt, right? I hope you have enjoyed the session. Until we meet next time with a good experiment again, till then, bye bye.